Jina naitwa Nation Koech. Hii basi mguu ilibust. Sasa mguu kubust naye dereva akashindwa na udhibiti wa hiyo gari. Sasa upande ya chini kulikuwa na Nissan inapanda. So hiyo Nissan ikakuja basi ikakuja ikagonga Nissan na ingiza kwa mtaro.
Ni umwe wa aria mareyoneire mutino uyu uria utigite andu 15 moritwo ni mioyo yao bara-ini ya kuma mucii wa Naikuru guthii Eldoret uria uhanikite mathaa-ini ma utuku wa ukia umuthi ugikuruhania bathi ya ukui wa muingi kuma bururi wa Congo na matatu ya andu 5. Kwirikanite ati bathi ino iria ni ya Classic Line niyo irambire guturika kuguru na gutemwerekera kuria irakorire matatu ino ya kambuni ya Northways na kumihatiriria kinya mutaro-ini igitiga athii othe 14 aria marari thiini makuite.
In the process ya mtaro naye basi kwa sababu ilikuwa bado in the motion ikakuja ikalalia Nissan.
At around 2:45 AM, a grisly fatal road accident took place at Twin Bridge, that is along Nakuru Eldoret Highway.
Ni ndeto ikiritwo mukonde ni kamanda munini wa borithi Kureso ya Rugongo Juda Alugathenge uria augite ati athii aria marari ngari-ini ya matatu nio marakuire othe na aria marari bathi-ini makigia na nguraro no ende magatangikirwo na gutwarwo thibitari-ini wa Moro angi makihe urigiti na kurekererio.
This Nissan matatu that is behind us and the bus that is on the other side, and out of the accident we lost 15 lives, 8 adult and 7 children aged between 1 year and 15 years.
Oho ni augite ati ni mambikite utwiria wa kiria kiracungiriria mutino uyu na mari ihenya-ini ria kuhitana na ndereba wa bathi ino uria uri riuriro agithingata kwaga gutwarithia ngari maria nogu.
Of the matatu perished. The driver of the bus escaped immediately after the accident, but in due course, because we are looking for him, the moment we get him, he is going to give us at least of whatever happened, and then we can be able to give further details of whatever about that particular accident.
Ahotheri na aikari a hakuhi na bara ino riu ni mahoete thirikari kumekirira mihinga kuona gicigo giki ni kiritwo kiri githinjiro kia athii kumana na mitino ya bara gukorwo yongerereka.
Sijui tungeomba serikali tuwasaidie kwa njia aina gani, kwa sababu pale hii area ya Jogoo, kuanzia Jogoo kuja hivi watu wengi wamepoteza maisha.
When somebody is fatigued, we encourage, especially for long maybe transport drivers, at least to be either 2 or you even the moment you feel that you are so a bit tired, maybe fatigued, just take a rest.